My name is C, working as a finance manager in Industrial System Supply and Engineering Services in Sdn Bhd. I'm handling account and finance matter in this company. Before this, I need to manually update the cash flow forecast using Excel. It's very time consuming in compiling all the data together, and it's very challenging to prepare and update the cash flow every week. When compiling this data, many human errors will occur when updating the report, which cause the report to be inaccurate. After using Q&E Cash Flow Forecast Advisor, it saved me a lot of time. By only few clicks, I can already generate an accurate cash flow forecast report.